Imagine a world where affiliate marketing isn't just about slapping links on blogs or begging influencers for shoutouts. Behind the scenes, major corporations are quietly running a playbook that turns ordinary affiliate programs into revenue-generating powerhouses, and they'd prefer you didn't know about it. This isn't about flashy ads or SEO hacks. It's a calculated, under-the-radar strategy that fuels their dominance, while smaller affiliates scramble for crumbs. Let's pull back the curtain. For years, the standard approach to affiliate marketing has been straightforward. Brands open programs to the public, hand out generic tracking links, and hope affiliates drive sales. It's a numbers game. More affiliates mean more reach, but here's the catch. Public programs often attract a mix of passionate promoters and low-effort spammy websites. The result? Diluted messaging, inconsistent branding, and wasted resources. Big brands noticed this flaw decades ago. Instead of playing the volume game, they flipped the script. The secret lies in exclusive, invite-only affiliate networks. Picture this. A luxury skincare brand doesn't just partner with any beauty blogger. They handpick a small group of creators whose aesthetics, audience demographics, and content quality align perfectly with their brand ethos. These chosen affiliates aren't handed generic links. They're given early access to product launches, bespoke promotional assets, real-time sales analytics, and direct lines to the brand's marketing team. Some even negotiate customized commission structures that reward long-term customer retention, not just one-time sales. It's less affiliate program and more strategic partnership. Why does this work so well? Exclusivity breeds loyalty. When affiliates feel valued and integral to a brand's success, they invest more time and creativity into their promotions. A tech company, for example, might invite a handful of trusted YouTube reviewers to test prototypes months before release. Those reviewers, in turn, produce in-depth, authentic content that doesn't feel like an ad. It feels like insider access. Viewers trust these recommendations because the affiliate's credibility is intertwined with the brand's reputation. The outcome? Higher conversion rates, stronger customer loyalty, and a feedback loop where affiliates become brand ambassadors in disguise. But here's the twist. You don't need a corporate budget to adopt this approach. Savvy smaller affiliates can mimic this strategy by niching down and building genuine relationships with brands. Start by focusing on a specific niche where you can demonstrate expertise. Say, eco-friendly home goods or indie gaming gear. Create content so polished and aligned with a brand's values that they can't ignore you. Pitch yourself, not as a promoter, but as a collaborator who understands their mission. Over time, this can lead to preferential treatment, exclusive discount codes for your audience, sneak peeks at new products, or even co-branded campaigns. The key is to think like a partner, not a pawn. Big brands guard this strategy because it undermines the myth that affiliate marketing is a chaotic free-for-all. By curating their networks and elevating top performers, they turn affiliates into extensions of their marketing team, a seamless, scalable force that drives growth without bloating internal budgets. For the everyday creator or marketer, the lesson is clear: stop chasing every program under the sun. Instead, focus on becoming indispensable to a select few brands that resonate with your audience. The next time you see a viral product review or a limited-time offer that feels oddly personalized, remember, it's not luck, it's strategy. And now that you're in on the secret, the playing field just got a little more even. If this peek behind the corporate curtain surprised you, imagine what else is hiding in plain sight. Smash that like button if you're ready to rethink your affiliate game, share this with someone who's stuck in the old-school promo grind, and subscribe for more undercover strategies. The algorithms won't show you this twice. Stay ahead or stay behind.